Millions of years ago, Earth was ruled by giants, the dinosaurs. Some dinosaurs hunted in groups, fast and clever, almost bird-like. But Earth was changing. Storms, volcanoes, and ash made survival harder.
Soft feathers grew in few dinosaurs to protect from the harsh, extreme climate.
Some small dinosaurs started leaping higher.
Gradually, they started gliding into the air from the hilltops.
From gliding came flight. The sky was no longer out of reach. Feathers also kept their eggs warm. Life found a safer way to grow. But the Earth changed again. A great disaster wiped most of dinosaurs away. While giants couldn't fight, smaller dinosaurs survived as they could hide, adapt, and move quickly. Few small feathered dinosaurs survived, and their journey continued. Over time, they became what we now call birds. Every bird we see today carries the spirit of survival by rising above all odds.